दिसंबर एक बहुत ही कमाल का महीना है जहां एक तरफ तो एक पूरे साल के खत्म होने का संकेत होता है जिसमें इतनी सारी यादें भरी होती हैं, वहीं दूसरी तरफ नए साल के आने का उत्साह भी लेकर आता है। लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा एक्साइटमेंट है यूएई नेशनल डे के बारे में, जो कि है आज। इसीलिए ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द एंटायर टीम ऑफ जी टीवी मिडल ईस्ट, मैं प्रिया आप सबको देती हूँ यूएई नेशनल डे की बहुत बहुत बधाई। नाउ लेट्स गो अहेड एंड चेक आउट ऑल द स्टोरीज दैट वी हैव फॉर यू ऑन दिस एपिसोड। Kapil Sharma's latest movie Firangi has been doing some good rounds in India and in the UAE. और जब कपिल शर्मा और इशिता दत्ता दुबई आए अपनी मूवी को प्रमोट करने, तो हमने सोचा क्यों ना उन्हीं से मिलकर जान लिया जाए what Firangi is all about.
जिंदगी की हर दौड़ में अव्वल।
You're rejected.
काम धाम कुछ करना नहीं, सारा दिन चलते ही रहना बस।
अंग्रेज बुरे लोग नहीं है।
हक की खातिर लड़ जा तू, अपनी जिद पे अड़ जा तू। हक की खातिर लड़ जा तू, अपनी जिद पे अड़ जा तू। नहीं फिरंगी, तू नहीं फिरंगी।
First of all, thank you so much for joining us on Z Connect, Kapil and Ishita.
Thank you.
It's lovely to have you here in Dubai. फिरंगी जो रिलीज होने वाली है थोड़े दिनों में,
जी।
तो मैंने ट्रेलर देखा है, उसमें आप काफ़ी बार ये डायलॉग कहते रहते हैं कि अंग्रेज़ इतने बुरे भी नहीं होते, और ये पोस्टर में मैं देख रही हूँ आप लात मार रहे हैं अंग्रेज़ को। चक्कर क्या है
ये एक्चुअली उसको एक शफ़ा है। हमारे नॉर्थ में बहुत कहावत है, ये मान्यता है कि अगर कोई बच्चा उल्टा पैदा हुआ है तो उसके पैर में शफ़ा होती है कि अगर किसी की बैक में पेन है तो उसको अगर वो ऐसे पैर से लात मार दे तो उसको बैक एक ठीक हो जाती है।
हाँ।
तो
ये आपको गिफ्ट मिली हुई है
जी।
इशिता, यू हैव डन वेरी डिफरेंट मूवीज बिफोर दिस, यू डन दृश्यम और अब ये वाली, तो मतलब क्या व्हाट मेक्स यू चूज द काइंड ऑफ स्टोरीज दैट यू वांट टू वर्क फॉर?
I think I can say that वो movies मुझे choose करते हैं, it's like the other way around. Like I don't really consciously make a decision. जो भी मेरे पास offer आते हैं, I go through the script and I think God is with me that even previous film was very good and I can vouch and say that in this film also my character is superb. The story is very good and something that I'm going to be proud of. So I feel that I'm very lucky कि मुझे अच्छे scripts आते हैं, so I'm very happy.
कपिल, ये जो मूवी है फिरंगी, तो there are not too many dated comedy movies और वो भी ऐसे ब्रिटिश राज के बारे में, तो क्या सोच के मतलब ये कॉन्सेप्ट आपको भाया?
इसके पीछे यही कारण था कि एक्चुअली एक तो अगर आप इसका वन लाइनर देखें कि हम लोग पीरियड में जाके, उस पीरियड में जाके जब पूरा भारत जो था उस समय वो चाहता था कि अंग्रेज़ चले जाएं और हम ये जो हमारा अपना राज हो, हमारी खुद की सरकार हो, तो हम लोग ऐसे सोच रहे थे कि यार सब लोग शायद उस लहर में शामिल नहीं थे, बिकॉज जिसको अगर अपने घर की रोजी रोटी की चिंता है तो वो सबसे पहले ये देखेगा कि मैं अपना घर कैसे चलाऊं। जिसकी 2-3 बहनें हैं, शादी होने वाली है, तो वो उस समय शायद उसके मन में पहला थॉट ये आएगा कि मैं काम काज क्या करूं, कैसे तो वो ऐसे ही एक कैरेक्टर की कहानी है जो बड़ा भोला सा कैरेक्टर है। उसको खाली घर वाले भी उसको डांटते रहते हैं कि तू काम नहीं करता, बेचारा ढूंढने की कोशिश भी करता, नहीं मिलता। फिर उसको प्यार हो जाता है तो बेला आदमी है, उसको कौन लड़की देगा। तो फिर उसको सरकारी नौकरी मिलती है, जो हमारे एक वो है ना हिंदुस्तान में कल्चर कह लो, आपकी लड़का सरकारी नौकर है तो वाह, फिर तो लाइफ सेट है। तो वो भी इसी खुशी खुशी में अपना रिश्ता भेजता है। तो बाद में उनको पता चलता है कि लड़की के दादाजी जो हैं वो गांधी जी के कट्टर फॉलोवर हैं और वो बोल रहे हैं कि हम तो अंग्रेज़ों को बाहर निकाल रहे हैं, फिरंगियों को, और तुम फिरंगियों की नौकरी कर रहे हो। तो बात यहीं पे ख़त्म नहीं हो जाती, उसको लगता है कि अब तो मेरा कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता। उसके बाद बेचारा अपनी तरफ से उनकी फैमिली को इम्प्रेस करने की कोशिश करता है कि मैं किसी तरीके से उनको इम्प्रेस कर सकूं कि ठीक है मैं नौकरी उनकी ज़रूर करता हूं लेकिन मैं आदमी बुरा नहीं हूं। लेकिन वो फिर इतना बुरा आदमी साबित होता है उनकी नज़रों में कि बेचारा फंसता ही जाता है। फिर उसके बाद वो किस तरीके से कुदरत उसका साथ देती है, लोग उसका साथ देते हैं, उसकी जो गर्लफ्रेंड है वो उसका साथ देती है, तो किस तरीके से बचा के बेचारा निकलता है, बचता है कि मरता है, ये ही हमारी कहानी है।
आपका कैरेक्टर इशिता, उसके बारे में थोड़ा कुछ बताइए हमें।
मेरे कैरेक्टर का नाम सरगी है एंड शी इज़ अ वेरी वेरी शाय पर्सन, वेरी सिंपल एंड जैसे गांव की लड़कियां एक दिखाते हैं उस टाइप की ही है, बहुत नज़ाकत है कैरेक्टर में, एंड बहुत धीरे से बात करती है, चुप चुप के देखती है लड़के को, मतलब वो पसंद भी करती है तो एकदम सामने जाहिर नहीं करेगी, शायद शी विल टर्न अवे एंड देन स्माइल एंड यू नो शर्मा लेगी. तो आई फाउंड दैट वेरी स्वीट बिकॉज आजकल की फिल्म में यू डोंट गेट टू सी दैट. सो आई वाज लाइक कि मज़ा आएगा, इट्स समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट. सो दिस इज हर कैरेक्टर.
थैंक यू सो मच, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. वी विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द मूवी. Danube over the years has become such an integral part of our lives that we can't really think of having our homes without their products, isn't it? Well, Milano has completed 25 years of its existence, and when products are turned into an art, it definitely shows the standard and competence of the products.
Thank you very much. It's always good to be connected with Z Connect. I always enjoy coming on my favorite channel. Now today, as you mentioned, that we're completing 10 years of Milano. So whatever Milano is today in this 10 years is because of these customers. As generally they say, the captain is as good as his team. So whatever products what we sell is through these wonderful dealers what we have. So there are small dealers who are buying from 5,000 dirhams to 50,000 dirhams to 100,000 dirhams. So every customer is important. So all these customers are helping us to achieve our targets, and you know, they are very, very important to us. Last time we took them to Switzerland, and I have with me one dear customer, Mr. Mittu Kumar from Alain. So he was also on board with us to going to Singapore, to Switzerland.
स्विट्ज़रलैंड जाके हम लोग बहुत एंजॉय किया. हम लोग 120 आदमी किया, बहुत एंजॉय किया, बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा.
When Milano started off initially, you know, we were only selling sanitary ware products to a few dealers, and the idea was initially to focus on selling something that's different from the market, because everybody else was selling all, you know, international brands. So the initial idea was to support ourselves. But as Milano became popular because of its, you know, quality and everything, we not only got into electrical, hardware, tiles, water purifier, but we got into all kinds of dealers around the world. So it's a great journey.
So I'm going to give you guys a very important piece of information now. Z Studios International's next movie, Fukre Returns, is releasing next week, and we are super duper excited for this movie. You guys don't have to miss this. So while you guys go and make plans for this one, we are going to go ahead and take a short break. Thank you so much for joining us once again. Everyone, irrespective of the field that they are in, consider appreciation to be a great motivation. And why not? Success demands dedication, sincerity and hard work. Now, the Asian Business Leadership Forum का objective है ऐसे ही successful लोगों को recognize करना जो idea, sincerity और hard work से आगे बढ़े हैं. Let's take a look at this story.
This will make the work of the APLF even more important. The world needs the type of leaders this forum is preparing. Today, you have surely enjoyed stimulating discussions and have perhaps initiated some new partnerships You have strengthened your capacity as leaders.
I think ABLF, to my mind, is the finest gathering of the cerebral that we can get in Asia.
Wonderfully done, executed, great ambience, great topics, lots of good discussions, and very, very high-end people come and attend and exchange views.
Very nice experience. You get to meet a lot of people. In fact, you meet a lot of people from India as well, who you know very well, but you never get the time for meeting. But you get to meet quite a few people from the Middle East, from other nations, which is always, you know, something that gives you much more information about how business is shaping up, and therefore quite a useful platform.
It is a very unforgettable night, and it is a great success. And thank you for very much for the award. This award is not only to me, but also to my team and also to the Bank of China. And Bank of China is doing and will be doing more effort on promoting the trade and investment between China and UAE.
It is an important moment, and we've achieved a lot. And basically, it has been the goodwill that we've built within the Emirati community and business community, as well as the Indian business community. Though, of course, the entire Asia is involved in this. We have 33 nations of Asia participating at the ABLF, and we've recognized leaders from over 48 nations. When we began the event in 2007, it was just with an award event, but now it's gone to much more than that. It is also a public opinion platform. It's a discussion of leadership, values. So it's actually been quite remarkable, because you can actually plot what has been happening over the last 10 years.
UAE का नेशनल डे है एंड वी हैव एन एक्साइटिंग स्टोरी टू रिकिंडल द नेशनल डे स्पिरिट इन यू। अब यंग जनरेशन में नेशनल डे स्पिरिट को स्ट्रेंथन करना हमारा कर्तव्य है, एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट पेंट द नेशन हैप्पी फोकस्ड एट। लेट्स टेक यू देयर।
To celebrate the National Day in a very unique style, and a kind of awareness campaign for the public here, trying to inculcate some good value about the nation and how the National Day should be celebrated. So basically what we did is we got the kids here and we started testing their creativity and how they can paint the nation happy. So through that painting competition, we had celebrated this campaign of Paint the Nation Happy UAE. Pan Emirates has been in the essence from 1971 basically, and it was that long. But then if you see from past more than 25 years, Pan Emirates has been quite close to the community, and we are celebrating our 25th years anniversary.
My name is Jay Karunyashri. We are drawing the Happy Nation.
My name is Yukta. Like today we are painting here for the National Day. So yeah, so I'm drawing like how UAE actually is.
The initiative which is taken is really very good, because UAE always take different kinds of initiative. This was this year's, everybody should be happy is the initiative of UAE, and obviously Pan Emirates has taken this initiative to, emphasize more on it, and they just want to, support the nation that giving this opportunity. They're just supporting a nation that if you are taking some initiative, even we are with you.
The initiative from Pan Emirates is really good because the kids of the generation has to have an idea the nation and the morals for it to move on for a happy and peace in the community. So the initiative is really important for the kids. So it's very good, and well, the kids has to know how to build a peaceful community in the whole world, and that's how they have to put in the drawing as well and to win the competition.
So it's time now for a quick break, but before we go, let me inform you guys that we will be catching up with Mr. Majid Majidi, the world-renowned director who will be coming to Dubai for the premiere of Zee Studios at the Dubai International Film Festival. Also do join us for the premiere 7:30 PM at JBR The Beach. See you right after this break. Thank you so much for staying with us on Zee Connect. Well, year end है और सभी जगह सेलिब्रेशंस का दौर चल रहा है, और भारत में जब न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेशंस की बात होती है तो गोवा इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट हैपनिंग प्लेसेस, और जब इतनी पॉपुलर प्लेस का ही सेलिब्रेशन हो तो well, we have a special report on the celebrations for Goa Day that were held recently in Abu Dhabi. Let's take you there.
A big cheers, big shout out to all of you, and for bringing a piece of Goa, bringing your beach party here to the Abu Dhabi Hilton, and for taking us back into nostalgia. I had heard ABBA and Boney M for years and years. You know, being here with you is a gentle reminder of the marvelous diversity of India. And in a sense, for me as the Indian ambassador here, the opportunity that I could be at a Kerala Onam one day, at a Goan party another day, and this evening in Dubai for the Jamia Millia annual day. So there's a lot going on at the same time, and that just reflects the true colors of India and the languages and joys of India that we all share. So as Indian ambassador, it's an absolute pleasure to be here.
फैशन के साथ साथ तो हम सब चलते हैं, लेकिन फैशन फॉर अ कॉज इज समथिंग entirely different. Now this one-of-a-kind market believes in spreading happiness to the underprivileged. Dar Al-Bair Society is on a mission to spread awareness about the society's humanitarian activities, and the Happiness Market is just one of their initiatives. Let's take you to this Happiness Market.
أطلقت جمعية دار البر سوق السعادة من باب المسؤولية المجتمعية والقيام بالأعمال الخيرية من خلال تأجير مساحات في حديقة زعبيل. وحقيقة نحن نشكر حديقة زعبيل وبلدية دبي على إتاحة هذه الفرصة لكي يكون ريع جزء من هذه المبيعات وهذه المساحات المستأجرة لجمعية دار البر.
It's a good cause. The caption itself has the word happiness, and we would like to spread that happiness among everyone. And it's good to hear that so many free distribution of so many things are going on here, and kids are enjoying, and like everyone, almost every age of this thing, people are enjoying here. And it's good to see it so colorful and different types of shops, and it's good actually.
I think it's a very well coordinated initiative. Looking at all the people around, you can see everybody smiling around. I think the weather is very good. That basically adds to the entire initiative that the Albear Society has come up with. And knowing that this entire fundraiser is for a very specific cause, I think overall it's been a very good experience. People are enjoying, and I think how the time has been spent is very much not visible around. And so you just don't know how the entire time and the event just passed by. So it's been a very good experience.
We have started Happiness Market from 13th of October, which you can see at Zabir Park Gate number 1 from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. every Friday. And as you have seen it, we have got a tremendous response. Today we have more than 20,000 people who visited Happiness Market, and they were very happy. Actually, the basic idea of Happiness Market is to spread the awareness about Dar Albear Society and its humanitarian activities, and to spread the message that Happiness Market is for everyone.
So that brings us to the end of this episode of Z Connect. From all of us here at Spice Club and Quattro Dubai, we wish you guys a great week ahead. But before we go, we have one very small story on UAE National Day to share with you. Now, this is a special tribute by Indian women who are being a zaria of change and empowerment.
for change.